One of the great things about smart TVs today is all the different content that you can watch with all the different apps that are available. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Vizio smart TV. After I show you how to get apps on your TV, I will tell you about 4 recommended apps that you might want to check out that'll give you free movies and TV shows. There are more than one way to install apps on your Vizio TV. It's one of the more confusing models, to be honest. But the first thing and the most obvious way is to press the V button or the home button on your remote control. And you will see a bunch of apps and you just select the one that you want to install. However, on most Vizio models, there's a small amount of apps that are available with this method. So another way to install the app on your phone, then tap the cast logo in the app, then basically it just sends the app to your TV. But one final way that you can get apps on your Vizio TV is by plugging in a Fire Stick or a Roku stick into the back of your TV, and I'll link these in the description down below. Here are a few apps that you might want to download. The first app is called LowCast. This is great for getting some local TV channels to your TV without paying for cable or using a TV antenna. 3 more free apps to download and check out are Xumo, Tubi TV, and Pluto TV. These are all free apps that have a lot of movies, TV shows, and sports channels. Well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. If it was helpful to you, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.